basically it. I'm not doing that bad. So yeah, the next time you see me, I should be at the airport. Yeah.
Welcome to Jamaica.
One pork stop. Wait, is it up again? What is that? One
quarter pork, quarter chicken, a jerk chicken meal, fried chicken meal, and fix it.
Alright, here's the pork one. One and
Pork, one medium, fried chicken,
fat. One pa. Look here. Yeah, go on something. No, you can't. Every car I'm in pizza. Where am I go? Something else.
what you say you need? What you say you need?
And I'm up here. And a breadfruit.
I don't know.
Here?
Menu over there. Fireside jerk. One cup of that, please. What can I get? It's that fried chicken stinger. Give me fat now.
Well, ketchup.
See it here.
What you get? Porkita. Stinger.
Fish.
Tell the camera where you get stinger.
Round two fish.
And where you get stinger?
Fireside.
Which part that located in Jamaica?
Clarendon Park.
Mad up.
There's no baby over there.
Oh gee, this is wifey. She's here. He's here with wifey.
Yeah.
You did- Uncle, hold back his seat for me. Push it back. Hey guys, so I'm at the car wash right now. I'm having a sorrel beer, and these are my fave. Who boring? I don't know. She said the sorrel beer alone me drink, but that's okay. I'm not a drinker, and I'm not trying to be. Me not take up on me can manage here. By the time I don't drink one, me drunk. So yeah, but I wash my car. It's pretty dirty. I'll show you guys when it's all done. But this car wash is located. You like my socks? Yeah, they're very cute. Look at my socks, you guys. She liked them. She liked them. Hold on. These shoes I got at Zara. The socks I got at, I'm not sure if it was Forever 21, but they're pretty cute. I love them. I haven't gotten a chance to show you guys what I'm wearing, so I might do a cam right now. Although it's almost the end of the day for me, I'm tired, I'm sweaty. But I'm still gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today. Because I did went to Portmore. Oh my god, Portmore is so hot. Shit. I went to see my girlfriend. I was melting in that house, yo. Super hot. But yeah, we're there up on the gully side are easy. He bless. We ain't stressed or worried over nobody or nothing. Nada. So I'm at my friend's car wash. So I'm doing interior, I'm doing the outside, I'm washing the engine and all that. I want it to be squeaky clean. So that's what I'm doing right now. After this, I think I'm gonna have to make a quick stop at Fontana Pharmacy. I need to get a hair remover for my leg. And then I'm gonna be heading home. I hope mommy cook. She go cuss and I go say, I know where you come from. Where you come ask about food for. So she always go on, but you know, she always feed me. So I'm not worried. So today was kind of like a short day. I really didn't do much, but I'm still trying to vlog. I'm getting back into the vlogging because since I've been here, I've been up and down. I've been to the wharf like twice. There's a big change at the wharf though because it's not as it used to be. It was easy. It wasn't that hectic at all. Because I went in there probably like 35 to 45 minutes and I was out, so it wasn't bad. But because I shipped 2 different times, I had to go to 2 different sections of the wharf, so that was that. And then I met someone who assisted us, which made the journey or the process way easier. So that was one too. Eh? Really? Probably dresses. I have dresses and like a top. So I'm here with my sister. Again? I don't remember Dave now. Where you going? Oh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. Hold on. Outfit of the day. Shoes by Zara. Top by Zara. Gucci bag. Hair by BeautyByPosh. No, nobody ask anything. Nobody ask anything. Betsy all the way over there, so.
I can't talk about turning my machine. I mean turn up in my machine, sir. I want to come put me in the Europe where I go down there, brother. I want to man. I can't think about turning my machine. So you are trying, I mean turn up in there. Yeah, what man, go on from my man,
Squeaky clean today.
of course, darling. Very clean.
Yes, one year, I'm kind of it.
Alright, yo, you must be better. I'm sitting there talking to come one time talking to brother.
One
Sitting and talk about
One year.
You talk about man machine there.
One year. You come and go lucky.